Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the view range. A little bit explaining how to set up a view range, why some of the elements go missing in the view plane. So let's start with that. So if you see in the floor plan, there are a lot of properties where they have mentioned regarding the view range. Okay, so if I click on the edit, there is a primary range. So now the primary range is associate level 1. The cut plane, it is blocked out, but it says like associate level 1, and bottom plane associate level 1, view depth associate level 1. Okay, so we can change it as many as levels you have, or we can keep it unlimited. Recommended associate level 1 only, because whatever we were modeling, it is associated with that level. Okay, so whatever we were modeling might be level 1, 2, 3, but make sure this should keep as associate level 1. Regarding the offset, so the top range would be offset, let's say I'll keep 3000. Cut plane I'll keep at 1500 mm. Bottom I would like to go below 2500, or let's make it like 1000. And view depth, I'm keep it right now 0. Let's Okay, so view depth is set above the bottom clip. S- I'll Since I have kept it bottom plane as minus 1000 and the view depth is above bottom plane, it is giving me error. It should be as same as bottom plane, or more than bottom plane. So let it might be more than means minus, more than minus 1000, below that. Let's do it like minus 1000. Okay, so let's take a more explanation over that. So if you see, the my associate level was L1. Let me give you more about the thing. So we are looking at top, cut plan, bottom. Give the section. So my level, associate level is L1. For the reference, I'll draw some lines. My top was the 3000, cut plane was the 1500, and bottom plane was 1000. So let me explain this. This is how it works. So my as per this associate level, my plan, I can see the plan till 3000 above that level. That is this. Then as per this L1 associate level, my view depth will be 1500 and the bottom will be 1000. So if you can see over here, if I draw below 1000, I cannot see in the level 1. And if I draw below 1500, then also I cannot see in, or maybe, sorry, the above 1500, I cannot see in the level 1 plan. Let's have some examples. So I will be drawing one wall. So I'm typing shortcuts WA over here. Let me see how is my section range are. I'll keep with line. We go to this section. Yeah, I can see the wall. Okay, so I'll have small examples for you, and we'll keep some components for the example. Setting wall based. Let me check if I have anything. Let's see, in casework. Okay, it's okay. Forget about. Let's go to the wall. Okay. Now I'm keeping this wall as L2, or you can keep it like, 3 till wall connected height is 3000. This I'll keep it somewhere around 1000. Okay, and the one more I'll keep it above one, the base offset above 1000. Okay, and this one I would like to keep it minus 2000 base offset, and above will be minus 1500. Okay, so that is minus 2000, and here I would like to select the top offset, but I am giving like this. Okay, so you can see over here the wall which is above view cut plane is missing over here, and wall which is below L1 is also missing over here. So let's explain this. So these were our view depth. For your reference, I'll just view, or maybe cut plane, and these are top plane, and these are the bottom planes. Bottom. Okay. So if you go to over here and check it, the top cut plane and bottom plane, and this was the view depth. So whenever I'm in a level 1, I can see till minus 1000. This and this will always be same, or this will more like, if I keep it like 1500, or let me make it like 2000, and you will see over here it's little uh, uh, what can I say, it's little grayish because of the view depth. I have kept 2000, and if you see the walls base offset is the 2000. Okay, so I'll just remove this and keep it as a bottom plane, and yeah, it won't be showing over here. Now I'll go to over here. So the thing is, this wall is from level 1 to level T or 3000. It can be visible over here. Okay. The another wall, this one, it is attached to level 1, and since this cut plane is 1500, I can clearly see anything drafted below 1500 with the level 1. The third thing is this one. So I have drafted this wall above cut plane, whatever it is height might be, but since it is drafted above cut plane, I cannot see in the level 1. Okay, and the the fourth thing, fourth wall, I have drafted, uh, it's below the bottom range, even it is not in our view depth. So my view depth and bottom plane is 1000. I cannot see in this L1 plan. So this is how view range works. Do your own research on it, and if you have any queries, let me know. I'll update you the comment section or create a new video for it. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.